Right, in your own time, Neville.
Okay. So I guess this is it. I always thought, well, that doesn't matter. I always thought somehow, someday, I would figure out what I'm good for. But now, it's clear. I'm not good for anything. But I guess I should say don't blame yourself. This isn't your fault. No, fuck it. If you feel a little bit sorry for me at all, it is your fault. It's everyone's fault. It's my father's fault. Mom, this is your fault. Everyone at school, all the students, all the teachers, the principal. This is all your fault. I want the guilt to eat you up. I want you to wonder what you should have done for the rest of your lives. What am I talking about? No one will miss me. No one will care. You will all be happier. I could never fit in. I'm too weird, and that's not going to change. I cannot be who I am, but I wouldn't know how. So I guess I'll never get to kiss a girl. I guess I'll never get to see a red-crowned crane in the wild. But what's the point in that anyway? No one cares about fucking birds, right? No one cares about fucking birds. I'm sorry for being in your lives, for wasting your time. Okay. This is it. Goodbye. In my next life, I'd like to be a bird, if requests are allowed. So long.